Hey guys, from the exam as well as the real world working point of view, Gcloud SDK is one of the most important things. Well, any command line tool is. If you haven't taken my Linux course, I would highly recommend you do it. Otherwise, let's continue installing on Mac. So let's go to the mothership for the latest instructions. Because these things keep changing, I got certified 4 months ago, and now when I'm preparing this course, I'm seeing so many changes. So we will go to the official steps, Mac OS. I'm going to start on Mac, but I have decided to conduct the rest of this course on Linux because I have been looking at the analytics, and most of you guys are using Windows. So no point in me doing stuff on Windows. Alright, so I downloaded the tar.gz. It will be the same thing for Windows as well as, well, we will see, we'll look at the Windows install also. Like in this case, I'm just pulling that folder onto my home directory, and then in the home directory, it will, like, the only step that needs to be executed is install.sh in this folder that we just unzipped. Sorry about that. So by default, the Gcloud SDK would come with 4 things. One is the Gcloud itself. Second is gsutil, which is the cloud storage command line tool. Then BigQuery command line tool and Cloud SDK core libraries. Okay, anything else you want, you have to manually install it. And these are called components, and we will look at them in the components lecture. But for now, okay, I did not say yes to the shortcut completion part, so let's execute it again. Okay, so yes. Okay, so it's going to update the dollar path, so the Gcloud SDK automatically comes into your path, so you don't have to search for it. This is a Linux thing. If you are having trouble with this part, I will suggest go do my Linux free course, and then it's going to put 2 commands in the .zshrc because I'm using Z shell. In your case, it might be the bash shell, and it will just add these 2 entries for auto completion, and it comes in really handy, and you'd see me using them all the time. This was a Mac install. In the next lesson, we will install Gcloud SDK on the Linux VM that we created, and that's what I recommend you guys use.